I gotta tighten up my seat. It's just seemed to loosen up. And the birds are chirping and they're telling you, fish, fish, fish. You gotta listen. You gotta really listen. Hey, I'm Fish. Oh man, you probably heard me one time, two times, and I'm gonna tell you one more time because I'm not gonna give up until I know exactly my problem. I like that color, that tree. Oh man, it really looked real nice, didn't it? I don't know if you saw it. I'm not gonna go back. I'm gonna go forward. The sounds you hear are from the Osmo Action 4, and the Pro is not on. And I got the Tech wireless mic right here. Don't you just like to get up and go? There's no settings to use. Just grab it and go. And people are telling their settings what they like and dislike. Did you not know, Fish, that the sky is overexposed on the Osmo Pocket 3? And you still bought it? Just watch the video. And then the guy says, oh, you can set your exposure and you should really put it down to negative 0.3 and sometimes go to negative 1.0. And if you're doing skies, you may want to bring it to negative 0.7. But if you're doing low light, you want to, maybe not bring it down that far. And when you shut the camera off and turn it back on, it's going to reset. Never heard the person mention, just set it up in your camera and leave it on as is because it's overexposed. And just choose what you like. And when you shut it down, it'll be saved. When you turn it back on and you want to change it just while recording, swipe to the right, from the right to the left, and then you can adjust it to whatever you like during video, but not prior. Everybody's got their favorite settings and they share it to the world. I like sharing, I do. I just simply grab it and go. I'm not on anything but the natural settings of the Osmo Action 4. Today, I'm out on the bike and I'm having a good ride. It's still cold in the morning. It's not going to be warm, and it's still dark in the morning. It's not going to get light till later. And yeah, we set our clocks back a while back, and it's just taking a long time for it to really be light in the wee hours. I passed my spot with the lights where I would do a little talk. I'm just going to continue forward and get to where I need to be at. I don't put music to my videos like I used to. Nothing that I could find what I like to share to the world. And it may not be what you like. But I am on the boardwalk. It is nice and bright underneath here. And you get an idea of what image stabilization at night can be done without setting up your shutter speed. And it's dark. The sun's not going to come up today. More rain coming in. Did you know DJI's listening? They're watching, they're monitoring, and they're taking my information seriously. Do you believe that? See that buoy right there before that sailboat? There's one in the water. I wonder what happened. Here's another one in the water. And that's a nice tall one too. So far, you didn't hear me say one word yet about this. Whew, baby. I think I'm gonna hop back on the bike and get my exercise. I think I'm gonna stand over here and do some exercise. Yeah. Did you get a camera for action? Exercise, baby. It's the best thing for you. Stretch. Move. How many should I do? I don't have to do a lot. And yeah, you know who did this? Jack Cousteau, man. He was the best in doing that. He taught you everything. You see his videos. Do you ever see those videos ever again of Jack Cousteau's exercise? I'm pumping on a 38-pound bike or more. It's heavy, this Huffy Parkside. I did a review on it years ago. Man, I'm probably one of the best reviewers of this bike. I think I am. And I'm not retiring this bike anytime soon. And the only thing that went bad on me was the tire caught a flat. Somehow it blew when I got off of it, and the rim broke. It shattered. So I had to go buy a new tire, which is totally different from the one I got on here. And yeah, a tube. I had to change out everything. I got it on there. I'm still like pedaling in gear 15. Hard as a rock. I should bring back my Vantage Bianchi. Man, I put that in gear 1 like this is in gear 1. Man, I'm in gear 1, pedaling so fast, but I'm not going fast. But at least I could get down to a number of gears. I'm still comfortable going a lot faster, but not a lot harder like I'm on here. I still got time to put a charge on my power bank here. I got a cable in there, 41%, and I use the low flash light. I got 2 types of brightnesses, and this is one of the best bike lights you can get for your bicycle. Super duper bright. Well, I had a nice talk, a nice share, a nice ride. And I don't know if my battery of the Loritex is gonna last this long. I may have to put it away, give it a little recharge, even charge that case up, because I haven't charged it for a while. Probably one of the best mics I bought on a budget. I figure I'll ride by the spot where the lights are on. Give you again another idea what 4K 30 frames just set without Pro does to the camera. Gives a nice shot, and yeah, you may not like it because some lights may not work for you correctly, like you see the past 2 trees. But at least we got 4 trees lit. It gives you an idea what it looked like. This is what I like right here. I like this tree. Point the camera up at 45 degrees. Get a nice shot. Did you know you could hold the camera at a degree, like about 30 degrees, 40 degrees or so, and you get yourself still a nice wide shot? Some people find that 155 degree angle, field of view, lens, not what they want today on the Osmo Action 4. Maybe on the Osmo Action 5, we'll get a little less degree again. Man, the other day they were out there, all of them. They're there again. I wonder what's happening. Yeah, man, look at all these motorcycles. You think they're just getting more and more and more on the sidewalk? Motorcycles? They're scooters that you put down. They could simply grab and go. And pay as you go. Are they? I think not. Well, like I said earlier on, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot. And I am out of here. Had a nice ride, nice talk, and all that good stuff. Hope you enjoy your products, no matter which one you choose. I'm Fish, and catch you on many other videos to come.